trying to get slime off my hand by cutting it like this using a really tiny pair of scissors. Let's go. So first I'm going to take these pair of scissors, cut a little bit. It's gonna take a while. Let me just cut through about right here. Oh, that's a lot. Cut through right there. Okay, so now I'm gonna start to try not to get holes. Oh my god, I can't talk in it. Like this, how you can still see it. Then repeat for almost every finger, and you see all this excess. I'm scared. I don't want to cut my finger. Cut through it. Okay, since I couldn't do that, yeah, we did this. Shh, Roselle. Don't mind if you hear a lot of noises. But so, Rosella, shh. For the access parts, I'm probably gonna get a bigger pair of scissors. When I said bigger pair, I meant bigger pair. Let's use the tiny scissors instead. And big scissors. That's good. Look at my hand. Small scissor time. So first, I'm gonna cut the gap in between that. To be honest, at this point, it's just ripping. Trying not to cut myself. That's good though. I haven't been. Ooh, I put that in a really weird spot. I don't like cutting it like that. It's stuck in my hand, fingers. Okay, I'm picking it up, then chopping. Pick up, chop, pick. Ooh, look at all that stuff. Big scissor time. Yes, I am gonna spread them out when I do big scissor time. Because that's weird. I have to quickly do this because I'm running out. That was the most satisfying cut. My hand feels so much better.